Hey there! In this video, we will go over the memory slots which are available for every part. Memory slots are ways to make the part remember a certain value. Now, every part can remember 6 things at one time. We can remember numbers, we can remember Boolean values, we can remember certain objects from the 3D scene, and colors as well. So we can use these slots to store some value and read it from anywhere in the 3D scene, and we will go and see how that works. First example is, let's move this cube, and this cube says move forward by 2 and move to the side by 1, as you can see here. Now we can say we want to move this forward with the value of triangle. So the triangle takes 1, the get triangle gets 1 value which is stored in the triangle. So we say, what's the triangle of this? This is the object that the chip is sitting on. So let's see the triangle value of this cube. It's currently empty. So if we run this machine, it will not work, as you can see here. There is no value. So we need to set it first. Let's set the triangle to 1 and try to move it. Now if we run this, see what's the triangle of this? It's 1. So we move it forward and it works like expected. So there are 2 triangle operators in the memory group. There is a filled triangle and there is a stroked triangle. This is a getter and this is a setter. This gets the value, but this sets the value. Let's take a look at that. Let's say we want this triangle to be set to 5. Let's check if this is the correct form. Yeah. Number, object, then the operator. Now if we run this, it will move 5 units instead of 1 because we adjusted the content of the memory slot, the triangle memory slot, to 5 instead of the original 1. Right here. Now the data or like block type must like work well with the operator that takes it. For example, if we set this to color and try to move something as a color, now let's remove this, we don't need it anymore. Now this triangle is the color yellow, but if we try to move with the color yellow, it doesn't work. Now let's see how we can adjust the memory of this part with another part, like from Poly, for example. Let's say we want to adjust the value, the triangle value, to something else. Now let's add another initial value. That's 1. And in Poly, let's say we want to move Poly back with the same value that it's in the triangle of this object. And we say get triangle. Instead of this, we want to take the triangle value of this cube. So we look here, here's the cube, and now if we run this, it's 1. Notice that Poly memory value doesn't exist. It's taking the memory value of this cube. And that's how it works. We can also adjust the value from here as well to another number. Like let's say, let's adjust the memory of the cube, the triangle memory of the cube, to 5, then move Poly. As you can see, we adjusted the the memory value of the cube from poly, which is another part. And you can use other slots as well. There are 6 slots to use, and you can use them to create other things. Like, for example, you can control the value from multiple chips, and you can use that value anywhere you like. I hope you learned something. Bye.